In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the video recording quality settings for FPS or frames per second, resolution and length for capture settings on your Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result should come back with settings here. Go ahead and open that up. Select gaming on the left panel, and then on the right side, select captures. And then scrolling down underneath video frame rate, you can click the drop down and select whatever your system supports, whether it's 30 or 60 frames per second. You can adjust the video quality in the next category below. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.